Every teacher once was a student. Every winner once was a loser. Every expert once was a beginner. But they've all crossed a bridge called learning. These were the wise words of our beloved President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He had a lot of love for children and believed that the future of India lives in them. His message to the young minds of our country is to have courage to think differently, courage to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover the impossible, to conquer the problems and to always succeed. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the people's president, was a lot more than just a president. It wasn't just the inspiration that he gave to the students of our country, but also the way that he interacted with them. He always made sure to interact with the students. He led them on wings of fire, and his love for the students took him among them from time and time again. His aim was to reach thousands of young minds, and that is exactly what he did. He inspired little minds to dream big things and to never stop believing in those dreams. He taught an entire nation to take inspiration from the simplest things in life. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam encouraged us to dream, to ask questions, and to never stop learning. So today, on this World Students' Day, we salute this man who dedicated his entire life to spread the love for learning. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Education is the most powerful weapon which is used to change the world. These are the golden words spoken by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. World Students' Day is marked on the birth anniversary of Missile Man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram. He learned the qualities of honesty, simplicity and self-discipline from his family. In his school years, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had an average grades, but was described as a hardworking and a bright student who had a strong desire to learn. As a young boy, he had to sell newspapers because of the family's inadequate income. But these difficulties would not stop his dream to become a scientist. He joined the Madras Institute of Technology, where he received a degree in aeronautical engineering in 1960. After graduation, he joined the Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and later on he joined Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. He was a practical educational thinker and a visionary who stood for integrating ancient and modern ideas for the development of Indian society. He is immensely known for the role of a teacher that he played throughout his political and scientific careers. He always wanted students to be self-directed, self-controlled and an autonomous learner, as well as lifelong learner. He said that, do not read success stories, you will get only message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to success. Thank you.
A dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep.
Hello everyone, I am Prakhar Singh from class 8F. Today, on World Students' Day, I am going to recite a poem, Song of Youth by APJ Abdul Kalam. As a young citizen of India, armed with technology, knowledge and love for my nation, I realize that small aim is a crime. I will work and sweat for the great vision, the vision of transforming India into a developed nation with economic strength and value system. I am one of the citizens of the billions. Only the great vision will ignite the billion souls. It has entered into me. The ignited souls, compared to any resource, is the most powerful resource on earth, above the earth and under the earth. I will keep the lamp of knowledge burning to achieve the vision, develop India. If we work and sweat with ignited minds, the transformation leading to the birth of vibrant India will happen. I pray to the Almighty, may divine peace and beauty enter into our people. Happiness and good health blossom in our bodies, minds and souls. Thank you.
All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have enough opportunities to develop our talents. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great.
You can't change your future, but you can change your habit. Then surely your habits can change your future. By APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you.
Every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person.
सुप्रभात। मैं ईशान त्रिपाठी आज अब्दुल कलाम जी को नमन करते हुए कुछ पंक्तियों के माध्यम से उन्हें श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करना चाहूँगा। शब्दों को विचार, विचार को गति, दी युवकों को ये सन्मति, देश को दी आपने पहचान नहीं, किया K-15 से मुकम्मल सुरक्षा इंतज़ाम। आप तो कमाल हैं श्रीमान कलाम, कर्म क्षेत्र था आपका विज्ञान, पर गीत संगीत में बसे थे आपके प्राण। आप बने बच्चों के हितैषी, दिया मंत्र वह बने स्वदेशी। धन्यवाद।
Dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts and thoughts results in actions. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says that my message, especially to students, is to have courage to think differently, courage to invent, to travel the unexpected path, courage to discover the impossible and to conquer the problems and succeed. Dr. Abdul Kalam believes that primary focus of the students should be excel in their studies. This is the first contribution to the development of the nation. The education system should instill in the minds of students capacity of inquiry, creativity, technology and moral leadership. If we develop in all our students these 5 capacities, then we will produce autonomous learners, a self-directed, self-controlled, lifelong learners who will have the capacity to both respect authority and at the same time is capable of questioning authority in an appropriate manner. Thank you.